Hello there, this is my arrow shooting catapult, and made from one piece of peeling. The little hole there for your little finger for good grip when shooting. Obviously your arrow hole comes with double ferroband gold with a band cut of 30mm at the catapult end down to 25mm. This is the pouch. When I say pouch, it's more like a piece of string designed specifically for arrows. When loading to shoot the catapult, simply put your arrow for the arrow hole as shown. Put the end of the arrow onto the string pouch as shown. Simply draw back